This is Barbecue Jams. Hey guys, welcome to Barbecue Jams. Got a great show tonight. We've got Steve Wheeler on guitar, we've got Cary Jordan on bass, we've got Robby Lee on guitar, and myself on drums. We're gonna be cooking up some salmon and cooking up some tasty jams, so you guys hang tight. Alright guys, we're gonna make an orange marmalade sauce for this salmon. So basically I'm gonna mix, it comes with rosemary, garlic, orange marmalade, salt and pepper. I'm gonna put it in this magic bullet, mix it in. You guys are about to see the process right now. Okay guys, we're gonna start off with some rosemary, 2 sprigs. And we're gonna mince this up first to kind of get it started before we add other ingredients. Just give it a few pulses. Beautiful. Okay. 6 cloves of garlic. Look at that, perfect. I did not plan that out, it just happened to work out that way. So you guys excited about this, huh? Yay! Woo! So we're putting both of those in, right? This is Leslie Jones's recipe, by the way. And her son's gonna be here just a little bit, Mikey, so hopefully we do her justice. Ooh, that smells good. Nice.
Get a little whiff of that. Perfect.
Yeah. Probably a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna throw in a little bit of salt here.
We're here for it.
And same with pepper. There we go. All right, and we're gonna throw in.
Is that a marmalade?
Yeah, this is orange marmalade.
Riverside.
Throw the whole jar in, guys.
There it goes.
I have 2 cedar planks soaking. You want to soak them for about 15 minutes beforehand in warm water, and then before you pop them on the grill. So these have been soaking for a while and they're ready to go. Okay, the larger piece is the wild and this one's the farm. So I'm gonna just pour this over the top, smear it in, and then cook her up. Alright guys, 450 on the green egg. Got them on the cedar planks, they've been soaking. I'm gonna go ahead and cook these for a while until basically they become flaky, and you take a fork and it'll flake off. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Woo-wee!
Hot dog.
Woo! That's hot. Alright, let's check it out, guys. Thank you, Martine.
Woohoo! Alright, Will, how much longer you want to wait?
I'm gonna pull this off and put it on the cutting board. Now it does have the skin on the bottom, so I'm gonna try to get it so it'll all come off together. Here we go. There's a nice piece. Skin stayed on the board, very good. Wow. Okay, so this is the wild, this is the farm. Y'all ready to try this out? All right, Mikey Jones, get in here.
Oh.
All right, so your mama is the one that hooked us up with this recipe tonight. So
Yeah.
we're gonna check this out. We gotta get a picture of her so we can put her on the screen.
All right,
Real special.
let's do that.
Thank you for hooking me up with this stuff and being here tonight.
man, loving
Let's
it.
grab a fork. Grab your weapon of choice. So I'm gonna start in on the wild.
All right.
You gonna try the farm?
Yeah, I'll try the farm.
Okay. Ooh. Nice and flaky. I'm gonna get a little saucy on there. And tell the camera what you think.
Tastes just like mama's.
Oh, nice. Ooh, that's nice.
Get the smokiness from the cedar.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The cedar definitely gives it a different element of flavor. The orange, that marmalade at the end, really you catch that at the end of the bite here. I'm gonna have to go in for another bite here to see what's going on. Don't be shy.
Yeah, let me try. What is this, the wild? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the wild. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know. That farm one. That farm one's kind of getting me on that one. I don't know. I like that farm one. Farm. What's your favorite?
I don't know. They're hard. I think I like the farm too.
I think so. I think so. What is it about? I wonder what that is.
I don't know.
The farm raised one's actually really good. And so is the wild. The wild one's really good as well. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys are gonna try this recipe out. It's delicious. I'm gonna have the other guys come in and check this out. So y'all come on in, guys. Martin, Cary, Robby.
Yeah, that's like the.
I think that farm one's really good. Yeah.
Wow.
Nice, huh?
That little sauce on top smells really good.
Isn't that good?
Well, I just went from Ashland, Oregon, Southern Oregon.
Oh, hell yeah, Oregon.
Yeah.
Beautiful area. One of my
Tough call, huh?
favorite
Well, I haven't tried the farm yet.
Oh, go farm.
Pacific Northwest is like fucking
Mom, and then
the
which
whole
one was your
country.
favorite? Did you try both?
No,
it's-
I tried
it's great,
just the
man.
farm.
I love
I don't
I
particularly
was
care.
out there for
Farm
12
one.
years.
There's a
so-
lot. There's a lot about it that I don't like.
Farm was better.
What's up with that?
I don't know.
Well, it's
There's a
different.
lot.
Maybe that
It's almost. I mean, well, but I cut it off the side where it wasn't.
I'm going in.
He's the scientist.
Get it.
Martin's the scientist.
So farm raised.
Yeah. Farm ones.
It's
Farms on your.
really good. But yeah, for some reason the farm it's the winner.
Yeah. Crazy.
I don't know. And then it tastes better.
Yeah.
Which one was cheaper, or were they around the same?
They were actually the same price.
Same.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
I would have thought the wild one may have been. Well, you know, it's kind of hard to say, really. I mean, I don't really eat wild salmon too often, so.
It's gamier.
Yeah, it's more gamey here. It's probably
Which it should
packed with
be.
more nutrients.
It should be. Yeah. It honestly, like, it doesn't surprise me what we're seeing here. Like, this appeals to my senses more.
Yeah.
Pig, you know?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
The same.
Ah, that's true.
There's a
Yeah.
difference in flavor there for sure.
I think you hit it right on the head, what you said. what you're used to eat.
And I'm not saying that it's not
Yeah.
good. It is
No.
very good.
Yeah.
But this is more what I would
If you were going to a restaurant and you knew the two,
all day.
all day on the
Yeah.
farm. I agree.
I honestly, I would be blue pilled as hell on this one because I would
Yeah.
rather stay in the Matrix and eat that.
Right.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Wagyu or something like that.
Yeah.
The most fat you can get.
Sure. Load it up.
They're
They're sitting there like massaged,
Yeah,
and
and
sake and beer.
they're eating straight corn. That's all.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Well, it's like
Watch
sake
out for the
and
bones.
beer,
that's
right?
right.
There's some bones in that wild one.
Well, my wife, you know, she has
There's other Kobe.
350 acres in Tupelo, Mississippi.
So you dig wild? Now try the farm.
A cattle guy and a soybean guy, and I've had conversations with him about it, you know. And he can get different prices on the cows that he sells, depending on how long he's had and how much corn he's given.
I think they're both
How
good.
much fat
they have.
I'm not gonna say one's better than the other.
It's all.
No?
But it's the same with milk too. You know,
Yeah,
milk,
high fat stuff.
I really-
good taste.
ice cream.
Yeah.
Of course.
I appreciate
With
the
the health
natural.
format, I used to
Yeah.
the soft serve.
I do too, for that kind of gamier sort of taste to it. But I think we're just so used to that farm-raised salmon. At least I am, you know. All right, guys, we had a great time tonight. We are just wrapping up. The food is excellent. The salmon turned out really well.
Are they not the best steaks?
I highly recommend it. It was just a nice, just different type of flavor. That rosemary and the garlic and that orange marmalade just really sets off that salmon nicely. Of course, the cedar plank with that smoke getting in there was just delicious. Anyway, you guys like and subscribe. We're loving it. We're having a great time over here. You guys stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll catch you next time.